Can I change my LLC to a corporation later? Yes. Many states allow an LLC to be converted into a corporation, but the process depends on the state laws. In some states, you can file a simple conversion document. In others, you may need to dissolve the LLC and form a brand new corporation. Business owners typically convert when they want to raise money from investors. Venture capital firms and large investors often prefer corporations, especially C corporations, because they can issue stock. Corporations also provide more formal structures for growth, but they require annual shareholder meetings, stock issuance, and more paperwork. It's a big decision because once you convert, you'll also change how your business is taxed. Corporations can face double taxation if structured as C corps, once at the corporate level, and again when profits are distributed as dividends. If you think you might convert later, Zen Business can help you form your LLC now and guide you on the steps to switch to a corporation when the time comes. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.